Let's explore how machines transform your spoken words into text, use AI to craft intelligent responses, and even talk back to you. When you speak, your words flow through a fascinating cycle, first becoming text, then processed by AI to generate a response, which finally transforms back into speech you can hear. Your voice creates sound waves that a microphone captures, breaking them into tiny signals and identifying the smallest sound units called phonemes. The system matches these sounds against a library of known patterns, using context clues to figure out which words you actually meant. When you say, "What's the weather today?" the system converts it into the text, "What is the weather today?" A simple but crucial transformation. Generative AI then takes over, drawing on massive training data to recognize patterns and create brand new text responses rather than just copying old ones. The text answer connects directly to a text-to-speech system, which converts those written words back into natural-sounding speech. Siri, Alexa, Google Assistant, and ChatGPT all share this same ability to listen, understand, and respond through voice. These technologies power countless real-world applications we use every day. Voice assistants handle your questions. YouTube generates automatic captions, customer support systems transcribe calls, and ChatGPT accepts voice input, each using this same speech-to-AI pipeline. Different accents, background noise, and homophones all challenge the system's accuracy in understanding what you're saying. Words that sound similar can mean completely different things, creating a tension between what the system hears and what you actually meant. Understanding the core steps of speech processing reveals how this technology really works. Speech processing branches into 4 key steps: capturing sound, recognizing phonemes, building words, and forming complete sentences. Grammar rules, probability models, and context clues work together to organize individual words into meaningful sentences. Context becomes crucial. Ice cream and ice cream sound identical, but the surrounding words help the system choose correctly. What once seemed like science fiction, speech-to-text tools has become everyday technology we barely think about. As these systems evolve, responsible AI development, bias prevention, and accuracy improvement remain essential priorities for the future.